In the past, the world knew Vietnam as a heroic, resilient, indomitable nation, with love for the country, love for the race, serving the fatherland, and a spirit of willingness to sacrifice for the people, for the country, for national independence, for freedom and happiness. Today, Vietnam has been a strongly developed, modern and integrated country with the world. Vietnam will be a powerful and prosperous country in the near future. That is the aspiration of the whole nation. The world is entering the fourth industrial revolution with the foundation of intelligence, science, technology and engineering. This is an opportunity for Vietnam to rise to become a powerful country. Nano Pham Ecosystem. Connecting, sharing, spreading. With the tradition of building and defending the country, with the spirit of national solidarity and aspiration for a powerful and prosperous Vietnam. The Nano Pham Ecosystem, formerly known as Nano Pham Corporation, was founded in 2008, and Nano Pham Avengers, Nano Pham Green, Nano Pham Solution, Home Ecosystem, Material Ecosystem, Fire Protection Ecosystem, Water Ecosystem, Specialist Ecosystem, Metaverse Ecosystem, with partners has been following and making its aspirations come true. Nano Pham Ecosystem, with the philosophy and principle of connecting, sharing, spreading, the quintessence, human knowledge, Vietnamese intelligence and a convergence of like-minded people, who have ethical, conscientious, capable, intellectual, enthusiastic, dedicated, professional in work as well as in life, and join hands to realize the aspiration for a powerful, prosperous Vietnam. Nano Pham Ecosystem, connecting, sharing, spreading, solutions, services, products, intellectual, creative, scientific, technological, technical, between the party in need and the experts, scientists, high-quality human resources, or suppliers, manufacturers, in the fields of industry, military, manufacturing, traffic, civil, DIY and other fields. Minimize or skip the intermediate stages. Cost savings. Improve productivity. Optimize human resources, materials, equipment. To bring into full play the multi-capacity, forte, experience, intelligence, inventions, infrastructure, transportation, time, of the people, the community, business and society. Nano Pham Ecosystem is a new innovative model that maximizes strengths and advantages, and eliminates and overcomes limitations and weaknesses of current business models such as sharing economy, members, e-commerce platform, the distribution system from the manufacturer to the demander, and creation of more scientific, technological, technical, manufacturing, service and product solutions. Nano Pham Ecosystem has been affirming its vision, position, action, prestige in many fields and always aiming for the values of intelligence, creativity, science, technology, and engineering. Create solutions, services, and products that are useful and superior in quality, environmentally friendly, improve productivity, reduce costs for people, businesses, and society. Nano Pham Ecosystem constantly connects and cooperates with experts, scientists, partners and organizations, big brands, companies, multidisciplinary groups, with domestic and international reputation. Also representing many leading brands in the world such as Guard Industry, Take Care of Materials. Nanovir Technologies, extending the surface life of paint by 10+ years. HR Tot Guard, USA. Somei Q. We are here to solve your trouble. Tarako, the House of Scandinavian Finishing Materials. Vestergaard, impacting people. Biosera. All healthy water go through safety biosera. Nano Pham Ecosystem, with members who have been certified for quality management systems ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 45001-2018 and other certifications and certificates, are evaluated appropriately and meet the requirements according to Vietnamese standards, international standards. The current Nano Pham Ecosystem is always proud, committed to maintaining global working standards and has become a brand with many years of experience and prestige. Operating in multi-industry, multi-field with ecosystems as House Ecosystem, Materials Ecosystem, Fire Protection Ecosystem, Water Ecosystem, Specialist Ecosystem, Metaverse Ecosystem, other ecosystems. In order to ensure integrity in almost all areas of life such as industry, military, manufacturing, transport, civil, and other fields, Nano Pham Ecosystem brings the materials ecosystem solution with the aim of to become a leading company in consulting, supplying and deploying technology products and solutions on a global scale. We determine the mission of Nano Pham Ecosystem is to focus on researching and creating breakthrough technologies to overcome, as well as how to operate businesses and organizations. According to the World Corrosion Organization, WCO, every year countries, including Vietnam, have been spending about 3.4% of GDP to solve problems related to corrosion and aging of materials. In Vietnam, very few owners, operators, and plant managers care and invest enough necessary resources to material integrity guarantee, leading to many potential risks, problems and should be fixed as soon as possible. With the materials ecosystem in the field of industry as well as in other fields through consulting, supporting, connecting, sharing, providing solutions, science, technology, engineering, and products as a whole, both details, and a place to converge and cooperate with experts, scientists, prestigious domestic and international multidisciplinary companies and corporations, with the goal of reducing costs, bringing efficiency to businesses and society. Material Ecosystem, 5M Program, ensure integrity material, structure and mechanical. 1. Management. 2. Methods, business processes, solutions. 3. Materials. 4. Machines, equipment, tools. 5. Man, engineer, expert. Management. Develop mechanisms, policies, strategies, organize the management and administration of the 5M program, ensure integrity material, structure and mechanics, for the building, factory. Building and perfecting the system of data management and management of maintenance, repair, improvement and replacement. Proposed plan, treatment, restoration, care, protection, decoration and fireproof, heatproof, waterproof, anti-fouling, anti-corrosion, to ensure integrity materials, structures and mechanics, for a part or the whole of the works. Factories with the criteria of reducing costs, improving efficiency in use, operation, exploitation and minimizing risks. Methods, business processes, solutions. Building the overall structure of the business document system. Compilation of professional processes in accordance with needs. Inspection process for each type of material, structure, machinery, equipment. Risk-based inspection process, RBI, for each item. Process of analyzing and evaluating the causes, mechanisms, corrosion rates and aging of materials. Develop process, solution, ensure integrity material, structure and mechanic. Materials. Consultancy on appraisal and selection of materials. Consulting on application of new materials and technologies. Consulting on improving and replacing materials suitable for the harsh environment, specific to each geographical area, each operating and use condition. Consulting on application of nanotechnology, new technology, treatment, restoration care, protection, decoration and fireproofing, heat-resistant, waterproofing, anti-fouling, anti-corrosion. Material integrity guarantee. Machines, equipment, tools. Consulting machinery, equipment, tools, suitable to optimize the process of construction, maintenance, repair, improvement, replacement, consulting on the use of modern equipment and high-tech applications. Man, engineer, expert. Consulting. Assessing human resources and developing training programs for experts in the field of material integrity guarantee. Consulting. Connecting, sharing, providing expert analysis, evaluation, testing, supervisor. Obtained national and international professional certificates, ASME, API, NACE. Material ecosystem, nanotechnology, new technology, treatment, restoration, care, protection, decoration, art and antimicrobial, heat-resistant, fire protection, waterproof, anti-noise, anti-fouling, anti-graffiti, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, ensure integrity, material, structure and mechanic. Structure and working principle. Nanotechnology is a technology that creates extremely small molecules, with the size of nanometers, 10 to 9 meters, with superior features that are superior to those of ordinary sized molecules. Latest technology with special chemical structure created. At the same time, many features such as anti-oil, waterproof, anti-scratch, lotus leaf, effect, anti-fouling, anti-aging, anti-UV. Technology penetrating and non-film forming. Chemical molecules will penetrate deeply into the material non-film forming and can restore the original color or change the color of the material as required, but without affecting the surface texture of the material. Allow material to breathe, air can pass through. Nanovir Technologies, the world's leading brand and has won numerous international awards in the development and production of industrial nano coatings from 3D cross-linked nanostructured technology and creates multi-function, surfaces with many preeminent features such as exceptionally light, can provide strength, stiffness, durability, abrasion resistance, high chemical reactivity and self-cleaning ability. Enhanced protection and extended service life of most new paint, and oxidated paint. Extend the life of paint, materials, by 3 times. Protect the surface of paint, materials, over 10 years. 50% reduction in maintenance and repair costs. Anti-corrosion, anti-chemical, anti-scratch, anti-UV. Q, rust-griped coating technology. Produced by nanotechnology with nanometer, super small, paint particles, it can penetrate deep into gaps, cracks, large surface holes, repel moisture and air out of these spaces. Spherical paint particles, instead of round shape like other common paints. Has extremely strong adhesion to a wide range of surfaces and effectively prevents corrosion. SPI anti-rust coating technology. It is a one-component polyurethane paint that dries by absorbing moisture in the air, so it penetrates deeply into the tiny gaps on the metal surface, to fill and bond with the metal surface, so there will be no space under the paint film and completely eliminates the problem of causing rust under the paint film. Solutions and technology. Treatment, restoration and care. Materials that have been used or have been aged, discolored, rusted. Return to the original condition without changing the properties of the material and without forming a film, without peeling. Protection and decoration. Keeping materials new, defying time, resisting harmful agents, with nanotechnologies, new technologies, colorless or colored on demand. Fire protection, anti-fouling, anti-graffiti, is the latest technology with a special chemical structure to create, and at the same time many features such as anti-oil, waterproof, anti-scratch, lotus leaf, effect, anti-fouling, anti-graffiti, anti-aging, UV resistant, fire protection. Anti-corrosion for materials. This is a particularly effective and useful solution, technology and product that helps to fight against electrochemical, chemical, mechanical and other corrosive agents, or create separating membranes or use sacrificial materials. By the simultaneous application of nanotechnologies, non-film forming osmosis technology and a combination of many other technologies. Simplify the implementation process, no noise and no air pollution. Economic efficiency. Prolong the life of materials, challenge with time, save maintenance or replacement costs and limit the impact on the operation and exploitation process. And many other great features. Nanotechnology, new technology, Gard Industry, France. Nanotechnology, new technology Nanovir Technologies, USA. Nanotechnology, new technology SME-Q, Japan. Nanotechnology, new technology SPI Coating USA. And other technologies. Gard Industry, France. Always pioneering and leading in research and application of nanotechnology, new technology, treatment, restoration, care, protection, decoration and anti-corrosion, anti-fouling, anti-graffiti. Comprehensive materials. Stone, wood, glass, fabric, carpet, painted and metallic surfaces, etc. in most areas, recreating the original beauty, defying time, without polluting the environment, prolonging material life, saving costs. Nanotechnology of Gard Industry, France has been applied in almost all areas of life. Gard Industries nanotechnology is a technology that creates extremely small molecules, with the size of nanometers, 10 to 9 meters, with superior features that are superior to those of ordinary sized molecules. Latest technology with special chemical structure created. At the same time, many features such as anti-oil, waterproof, anti-scratch, lotus leaf, effect, anti-fouling, anti-aging, anti-UV. Technology penetrating and non-film forming, Chemical molecules will penetrate deeply into the material non-film forming and can restore the original color or change the color of the material as required, but without affecting the surface texture of the material. Allow material to breathe, air can pass through. Nanovir Technologies, the world's leading brand and has won numerous international awards in the development and production of industrial nano coatings from 3D cross-linked nanostructured technology, and creates multi-function surfaces with many preeminent features such as exceptionally light, can provide strength, stiffness, durability, abrasion resistance, high chemical reactivity and self-cleaning ability. Enhanced protection and extended service life of most new paint and oxidated paint. Extend the life of paint materials by 3 times. Protect the surface of paint materials over 10 years. 50% reduction in maintenance and repair costs. Anti-corrosion, anti-chemical, anti-scratch, anti-UV.
Công nghệ Somaikyo, Nhật Bản.
Somei, Q. Produced by nanotechnology. Paint particles have nanometer size, super small, can penetrate deep into gaps, cracks, large surface holes, pushing moisture and air out of these spaces. Spherical paint particles, instead of round shape like other common paints. Has extremely strong adhesion to a wide range of surfaces and effectively prevents corrosion. Extremely simple surface preparation required. Minimum grade SSP-CSP2, Street 2. Instead of minimal SSP-CSP6, SAW2 with other paint systems. Can be painted directly onto rusted metal surfaces or old paint. Damaged or lost structural integrity can be restored without replacement or welding. Can be painted on all types of surfaces such as steel, galvanized steel, hot dip galvanized steel, aluminum, stainless steel and old, modified, paint systems. The drying time is short, so it is very convenient to shorten the construction schedule and increase labor productivity, reduce costs, prolong the time to maintenance and repair cycles. It can be increased to 05-10 years instead of about 01-03 years like current paint systems. The life of the coating can be up to 15 years, depending on the paint system design. The total cost of maintenance and repair can be reduced by 30 to 70%. Due to the extremely low surface preparation requirements, the construction time is shortened, the equipment usage is kept to a minimum, and the manpower for the operation and management of the project is reduced. The factory can be self-made, can be constructed continuously, without stopping operation, production and many other preeminent features. SPI coating. Rust grip has been present in more than 100 countries and is trusted to prevent rust in industries such as gas and oil, thermal power, hydropower, metallurgy, chemical, cement. Products achieved many international certificates of quality. The effect of the product is a one-component polyurethane paint that dries by absorbing moisture in the air, so it creeps and penetrates deeply into the tiny cracks on the metal surface to fill and bond with the metal surface. Thus, there will be no gaps under the paint film and completely eliminate the problem of causing rust under the paint film. Surface preparation requirements are extremely simple, requiring only a minimum of SSP-CSP2, Street 2, instead of the minimum of SSP-CSP6, SAW2 with other coating systems. Can be painted directly onto rusted metal surfaces or old paint. The number of layers of paint requires 1 or 2 coats and fast film forming time from 1 to 2H, so it shortens the construction time, and at the same time, rust grip can be used for both primer, intermediate layer, and finishing layer. It is very convenient in construction, do not need many types. The life of the paint layer can be up to 20 years depending on the paint system design. Nano Pham Group. Projects and typical images. Nano Pham Ecosystem is a brand with many years of experience and prestige. Operating in many industries and fields such as domestic and international certification. Domestic and international communication. Domestic and international communication. Are typical partners. Nano Pham Ecosystem, connecting, sharing, spreading, quintessence, human knowledge, Vietnamese intelligence and is the convergence of humans, who share the same vision, morality, heart and mind, intelligent, dedicated, professional, creative to create solutions, services, intellectual products, science, technology, useful techniques, superior in quality, environmentally friendly, improve productivity, reduce costs, and join hands to realize the aspiration for a powerful and prosperous Vietnam.